This video, I'm going to show you how to find the mean, median, and mode of the data set using the Casio Classpad CAS calculator. Okay, so we have this set of numbers. We're going to key that into the Casio, and we're going to go to actually in the statistics menu. So go into the statistics menu, and we're going to key in these numbers. So let's key in 2, 4, 20, 32, 24, 5, 0, 30, 34, 3, 5, 2, 40, 42, 45. Okay, now, after you have keyed in the numbers, the first important thing is to find whether you have keyed in all the numbers. So there are 16 here. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, we are good. Okay, and you want to check all the numbers because garbage in, garbage out. So we have 2, 4, 20, 32, 24, 5, 0, 30, 30, 4, 3, 5, 2, 40, 42, 45. And that's good. Okay, of course, if there's any mistake, you ought to change it. Now, once you have this number, the Casio Cas is a fantastic tool. You can easily find the mean, median, and mode from this menu. It's called the calculate menu, and you go to one variable, and the list. The list is we have keyed it in the first list, so this is list 1, and you just click OK. So from here, this is the mean. So the mean is 18. Okay. So the mean is 18. Mean, oops. Oh. Okay, so mean equals to 18. Now, what is the median? The median is here 12.5. So median equals to 12.5, and the mode. Okay, let's have a look at the mode. Okay, so here we have how many modes? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 modes. 4 modes, right? So modes. So let's go modes equals to 2, 4, 5, and 30. Okay. Now you realize that there are actually 4 modes in this set of numbers. So this is actually a 2. This is actually a 2. So 2, 4, 5, and 30, and they occur twice in a row. Okay, so 2 and 2. So this is how you use the Casio Classpad to find the mean, median, and modes.